Okay, so extensions ignore recommendations. When enabled, the notifications for extension recommendations will not be shown. Now, this does not pertain to this little tab right here, these recommended extensions tab. It's not this thing. It's when you open a file, like, for example, I don't have any installed extensions to handle C#, right? But if I open a C# file, it's going to give me this little notification, right? And this is what it's talking about. So let me close this out. So if you set this to true, and now we have to reload, otherwise it wouldn't open anyway, and you open that C# file, it won't give you any notifications for recommended extensions. I do find that to be quite useful, actually. So let's set ignore to false, which is the default option, so that if we reload again, because it just shows you for the first time, and then you go, oh, cool extension that I probably want to install, given that I'm working with a C# file, right? So yeah, this is very useful. I'm gonna leave this one enabled. So enabled here means don't ignore, so false.